Hello and welcome, dear followers, to our channel. Today we're bringing you a delicious and delightful recipe for Baghrir. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications to stay updated with our latest content. The ingredients we need for this recipe are 2½ cups of warm water, 1/2 cup of semolina, 1 cup of whole wheat flour, 1/2 tablespoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of dry yeast, 1/2 teaspoon of honey, optional, and a pinch of salt. Let's start with preparing the yeast. Dissolve 1/2 teaspoon of dry yeast in a little warm water and set it aside for about 5 minutes until it activates and bubbles form on the surface. In a large bowl, mix 1/2 cup of semolina with 1 cup of whole wheat flour, then add 1/2 tablespoon of baking powder and a pinch of salt. Gradually pour the warm water over the dry ingredients and mix them using an electric or hand mixer until you get a smooth and homogeneous batter. Add the honey to the mixture and continue mixing until it is completely dissolved. Add the dissolved yeast and mix again. Cover the bowl with a clean cloth and let the batter rest and ferment for about an hour in a warm place. After the batter has fermented, heat a non-stick pan over medium heat. Pour a small amount of the batter into the pan, making sure it spreads out evenly into a thin layer. Let the Baghrir cook until bubbles form on the surface and it turns golden brown on the bottom. Remove the Baghrir from the pan and place it on a plate, then repeat the process with the remaining batter. 1. Make sure the pan is properly heated before pouring the batter to ensure even bubbles. 2. Do not cover the pan while cooking to keep the bubbles visible. 3. If the batter feels a bit thick, you can add a little warm water and mix it well. Finally, enjoy serving the Baghrir with honey, butter, or even chocolate according to your preference. And with that, we've reached the end of our recipe for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications, and we'll see you in the next video.